We believe that comfort brings happiness, as you can tell from our previous backers. Everyone is bragging about how amazingly comfortable LONOs are. And we are back for more. Imagine a pair of sneakers that are so comfortable you'd never take them off, so breathable you'd never wear socks, and so versatile that you could go anywhere. Introducing LONO TREE. This time, we've invented our own hybrid yarn called Treiba. It's made by blending Ceiba cotton into tree fibre, creating a soft, breathable, and quick drying blend. We then use this amazing yarn to knit our shoes. So now you can do this. LONO is designed to be super quick to dry, and the option of going sockless is still yours thanks to the unstinkable fibre. It's our most comfortable shoe yet, featuring our newly engineered sole made from beans and algae. Our patent-pending air mesh allows you to feel the breeze all day long. Driven by organic materials over synthetic, this level of comfort doesn't come with regrets towards our planet. We are LONO. Celebrating natural materials and translating them into remarkable shoes is what we do best.
Meet Ben and Liz. They've been doing this for the past 3 hours. Let's back it up. There are hundreds of shoe brands that claim to be the world's most comfortable shoe. They might be, but at what cost? Let's take a look at Liz's ex-boyfriend. Jake is all about fast fashion. It's all about styles without considering what materials they are made of. Most of the time, polyester. Larry, he's all about wool, somehow hotter than polyester, and why would you want animal hair on your body? Now let's take a look at Ben. Now he looks comfortable in LONOs.
Let's fly!
LONOs are made from trees. The signature mesh is made without glue or chemicals, dissipates heat naturally, leaving you feeling cool and comfortable. LONO's tree fiber is made from FSC sustainably managed forest without the use of any animal byproducts, so it's safe for every living thing on Earth. And that's why they are still at it, keeping the bouncing comfort alive